The Nürburgring is an incredibly tough track.
It has a nickname.
The Green Hell.
There's no North American manufacturer who's done a sub-7 lap yet.
If we can do this,
nobody can take it away from us.
But there's no hiding from failure.
Our mission with GTD is pretty simple. Go beat the Europeans on their turf. That's the Nürburgring.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and Ford has done it. In this video, we are going to be reacting to the Ford Mustang GTD, absolutely crushing the sub-7-minute Nürburgring lap time. This is a great day to be an American as well as a Ford fan. So if you guys enjoy content like this where I go over news as well as updates around Mustangs and automotive in general, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications so you're not missing out on an upload. And feel free, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Ford Mustang GTD. This is not an easy task to accomplish. Hats off to Ford. I owe an apology. I said I was going to do it. Hey, the car is worth the hype. Let's take a look, y'all. It is on their YouTube channel, and we are going to be reacting to it.
7 minutes.
Absolutely
feels
beautiful.
Like an eternity when you're waiting on something.
We can't see him. We can't talk to him. We're just waiting for that roar to come back down the straight.
I mean, the track looks beautiful. No American car manufacturer has ever completed a sub-7-minute lap time on the Nürburgring. This is a world record. Absolutely incredible. And a Ford did it. A Ford did it. That's what people say, Coyote runs the show.
No, well, first thing is I didn't get any change tire pressure, so it stayed 24.
This is his first time in the car since third week of June. He felt that the car was down on power, that it was shifting rough, and a little bit concerned. Is everything working okay?
So that's kind of weird. They are not really.
That is strange for me. He's going extremely
Arco
fast,
Multimatic,
and he has to count on the car doing exactly what he expects it to do all the time. There's time pressure, but we got to make sure we can tell him it's good to go.
This sounds good. You guys can't even deny. It sounds good.
The Nürburgring has a history that's nearly 100 years old. It's 20.8 kilometers long, 73 curves, and 300 meters of elevation change. It's the world's most difficult track.
I mean, it looks, I mean, the scenery is just is insane.
To get around without crashing. It's super bumpy.
Very fast corners.
With incredible G-loads.
Elevation changes.
speeds of 200 miles an hour.
Damn, bro, they're flying, literally flying.
The Green Hell. This is the ultimate fitness test for a road performance vehicle.
I wonder what that Corvette T8 ZR1 is gonna do.
Performance cars.
Watch it runs like a 5-minute. It just puts this to shame.
Hide from a bad lap time at the Nürburgring.
If you can run under 7 minutes, you join a very elite group of vehicles that have ever done that in the history of time.
Even that target puts you in rarefied atmosphere.
There's no North American manufacturer who's done a sub-7 lap yet. This would be a giant accomplishment.
Yep. I mean, the wing
Especially
looks
if it's
badass,
first
man.
attempt at going
Fenders look
sub-7
sick.
minutes.
And there's no hiding from failure.
GTD is our top of the pyramid.
It's unbelievable.
It's the
Oh, the
Mustang
wing
scale.
adjusts.
GTD became something out of the GT3. When Jim Farley and Bill Ford came into the studio and saw GT3 for the first time,
And he stood back for a minute and he goes, you know what? He says, we should do a road car like this.
yes, we gotta do this. Usually you go road to race. This time we flipped it around. We went race to road.
But we wanted to make a road car that was actually even more technologically advanced than the racing cars.
So we can go as fast as possible around the track.
So if you want that car to be fast, this is what we gotta do.
We took all the good things from racing,
The latest braking technology,
active aero,
And the gearbox.
Yeah,
thing at
active
the back of the
aero.
car.
basically a prototype race car suspension.
All the bodywork on the GTD is carbon. So the car's an absolute rocket ship.
Everything taken to the absolute limit,
Supercharged V8s.
up at 815 horsepower, and it just feels awesome.
It is the best Mustang ever.
People are gonna have a lot to say about that statement. I'll tell you that right now.
That here, it's just screaming at
But technically, what other Mustang has ran a sub 7-minute Nürburgring time? None.
Our mission with GTD is pretty simple. Go beat the Europeans on their turf. That's the Nürburgring.
I mean, look how mean it looks. Dude, it looks nasty. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah, the Nürburgring is famous for having unpredictable weather.
It wasn't going to rain this morning. As you can see, a little wet, but the sun's breaking through.
I need to see that car. Like, what? I know it's a GTD, but bro, I'm trying to see that color.
Team has worked too hard.
They got a dark
to not
horse.
be able to run today. We just need a break here, man. Like, the team deserves more than this.
Yeah, exactly. Keep fingers crossed.
We're not done yet.
We are not done yet.
it is very typical for it to be bright sunshine in one part of the course and absolutely downpouring rain in other parts.
And every 5 minutes,
That sounds like
it would
Texas,
change.
honestly.
You could not plan.
One
on
town it's
what's the
raining,
best
another town it's sunny.
Next step. To go sub-7, you need a perfectly dry track everywhere.
You add in one wet corner, you're done.
And it could happen from one lap to another. And that's what makes it extremely crazy.
Dirk is going to run the course. If it's dry enough, he'll be back here and be ready to go.
Yeah, and test it out in the dark horse.
These concrete walls, there's not only paint on it, there's a lot of car material on it from crashes.
Damn.
Any mistake, you're in the trees, in the guardrail. There's no runoff.
You've got to be 100% committed and counting on the equipment to bring you through.
We have a lot of great race car drivers, but Dirk Mueller was the obvious choice to put into the driver's seat to set this lap time.
He knows that place like the back of his hand.
I'm a big Nürburgring Nordschleife fan.
Geez, they got a simulator? That's actually amazing.
I've done a lot of laps in the simulator in order to get ready for the Nordschleife. Nordschleife is a long track, so you need to have good preparation. You need to be ahead of what's coming up corner by corner. And this is preparation for the famous carousel. Probably one of the most important corners. You can only lose time here. You will never really gain. If you're too fast, you lose it at the exit. You just need to nail it. And if you're going in just too slow, lap time is lost.
To get a car developed, it takes a small group of dedicated people. They usually do their work in silence when no one's watching. When you have engineers who dream of working on a project like this, when you set a goal like that, they know that they have to deliver.
Yep.
This
Everybody
car's
would
very
have clowned him
special,
if
but
they
it's only
didn't.
special because of how talented the team is and the blood, sweat, and tears they pour into this.
The guys on this program have ownership in the application of the technology. It's theirs. Ford Performance Team are a pretty special organization within Ford.
We care about this car more than you could ever imagine, and we want this car to go down in history as one of the best performance vehicles ever.
We all knew it was going to be a compressed timeline and a challenge, of course.
We worked pretty much 24/7 for 2 years, so it's been a mammoth task. When we go into 7, we'll know that working with the engineering team, we'll have completed the task that was put in front of us.
Yep.
Yes, it's going to be tough, it's going to be challenging, but that's what we do.
Not talking too much because obviously this is a lot of educational bits in the video.
We've got the car ready.
People probably want to
but
know
now we're in
about.
the hands of the ring.
All right, is there a lap attempt right here?
All these guys from around the world preparing for this one ultimate lap. And that's nerve-wracking because that's all there at this point.
That guy kind of looks like Matt Damon, no Kev. like if they ever make a video, not a video, if they ever make a movie on this, they get Matt Damon to play that guy. I'm telling you right now. Like 4V Ferrari, it's like 4V Porsche right here.
Clear. You good to go?
This is a really special effort, and it takes a lot of people putting their heart and soul into it. And all I would say to all of them is thank you, and I hope you lay it all on the damn line.
Hold on. What was that? Wait, I know y'all saw that. What was that? Hold on. We gotta read that. Warranty shall be voided if the Ford kill is used or...
It's a lot of people.
Hold on. Wait. I gotta look at that again.
And all I would say to all of them is thank you, and I hope you lay it all on the damn line.
Professional driver with safety equipment equipped. Closed course, do not attempt. Okay, obviously. You know, they gotta say that. Warranty shall be voided if the Ford is user driven in competitive event with the simulator multi-vehicle participation. Oh, with simultaneous multi-vehicle participation. Racing, including on racetrack or closed course. So if you crash this shit on a closed course, or if you break it on a closed course, the warranty's not gonna cover it? Come on, Ford. What kind of nonsense is that? That's how you know people are not gonna be taking this car. Like, honestly, you know what the sad part is? This is the first and last time you're ever gonna see this done. You're never gonna see this car on the Nürburgring again after this. It's not gonna happen. These cars are gonna come straight off the fucking, straight off the trailer into a garage, and that's it. You're never gonna see it again.
The slightest mistake will cost you half a second.
At least it beat the time.
Time is standing still.
And it's hugging those corners though.
If we can do this,
nobody can take it away from us.
Jeez, this thing is pulling though.
This has been a lot of work leading up to this, and a lot of people that are back home watching, like, what happened today.
In this business, there's a lot of hard work, 24 hours. 7 days a week. And then these moments are the moments that makes it all worth it.
That sounded quick.
$640 right there.
A year ago, we told the
42.
world what we were going to do, and we told them who we were going to compete with and what technologies we were going to use to do it. So now this is our opportunity to go into their backyard and pick a fight. Go, 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 go. But nothing's official until you see the real time.
Holy shit, 657.
They got it. They got it.
The target for today was sub-7, and we got it, so that's impressive.
You got it.
I tried so much. I was so much faster than ever before. I just drove by feel, and then I just laid everything on into the last lap, and it was really cool.
I wasn't sure this day would come, but it has come. And we're now in the club. We made it in the club.
We need to do some celebrating tonight for sure.
Badass right there.
I think the GTD is a special project. It doesn't come along very often, maybe once in a lifetime. But we're not done. That's what gets us up in the morning, to do it over and over and better and better.
Not only we achieved the sub-7 lap, we achieved it in suboptimal conditions. The car has a lot more to offer.
We know there's more in the car. We know there's more in the track. We know we can do better.
Mission accomplished for today. And we'll see what future brings.
Hell yeah.
We'll be back.
Impressive, man. You got to give them that, man. They've done it. They've beaten the sub 7 minute Nürburgring time. Let me know down in the comment section. Are you guys accepting the Ford Mustang GTD, or are you waiting for the C8 ZR1 to potentially run the show? Who knows? But if you guys enjoy, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. It's a great day to be an American and a Ford fan. Peace.